Wow, those blooms are still... Out.
Excuse me. Goodbye.
North south.
I'm gonna stop DPSing her. I'm gonna start fishing a free cure off of you, hero.
North.
Beta.
D. Hot. DC.
On me. Oops. I just gave you a fucking regen by accident. Instead of the healer.
Smack that ass. Boom.
Dude, there's no ass to smack. He's just smacking me across the arena.
No, he smacks your butt as you're walking away.
Gotta clear fast. My fingers are cramping up.
C.
Probably.
C. Left.
8 middle.
Hammer, Dugan.
Yeah. You know, I think you said their name right.
Good. I'm glad.
Because I don't know how else you would say their name.
Hop sprint. Hop sprint. Go through the boss. Go south. Bunch of landslides, 2 of them. He's gonna jump. Hey.
Help! Beep the piss ball. Wait, is it me? Oh. Help! I'm in the rocks.
2 landslides. 1, 2. Reps up. 7, 6 seconds. 5, 4. We're gonna go through the boss. Oop, shit. Oop, 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 whoa. Oh, sorry, my bad. It was a little too early.
Oh, fuck. I got lucky there. I don't know why I'm not dead. The animation was. A slow-mo no just happened. I can imagine because he had the boss and then he didn't.
Yeah.
Did he have to provoke or did you shirk or what?
He evoked.
Is that gonna fuck you guys up for this next thing?
No. Was that my vote?
I got 26 minutes. I don't really know why I'm going against the wall. We should know where we're going. Just me at 4 minutes.
Ready to pot? Pot now?
Watch Garuda. I hate this one.
Wait. It's gonna go back right. Back right, back right, back. Right.
Together, please. I am casting Cure 3.
Move. Wait for the scream again. Move.
I don't have Benny for you. That's
I got it.
okay. Yeah, I use
We're gonna
Benny on
move right.
myself.
We're gonna move right,
Go.
left,
Go.
right again. Break the orb. Go a little bit more to the right. Move. Break the orb again. Pop sprint. Go to 3. Move.
I was too late. Fuck.
Suppression. Emma.
I'm up.
Suppression, suppression.
I'm up. B.
Go to B, go to B. Wait for the scream. Move. Knock back. Go to 3. Titans first. We're gonna go to the right, left, right.
What happened?
Oh.
Did you get clipped?
Oh shit! I didn't. Yeah, I don't know if I. Shit!
Okay.
I don't have a
It's okay.
race.
It's okay.
Oh, or this. Okay.
Okay. Ifrit.
Shit.
Go.
Different.
Wait. Garuda's gonna be next. In. Wait for her scream.
Wait.
Go.
Move.
If you have pots up, pot. Rats when you're clear.
No, it's 100%. Shit.
Ooh, yay!
Oh, you guys got it?
Yep.
Congratulations!
Yay!
Alright, everyone line up for photo. Where are we taking the photo? Oh, they're in the cutscene. Look at them losers in the cutscene.
How do I do a print screen? G pose.
Print screen? What do you mean? You press print screen?
I don't have prints. I have 60% or whatever.
How do I do the? How do I do the? What is the show off one?
G pose. Oh, which one?
What's the emote that the scholar is doing called?
Show laugh or show right, something like that.
Okay. Scarlet, I trust you'll choose. You'll do the shield thing.
Yeah, she does it.
Okay. Oh no, she take my spot.
Spots are called.
Suppression spots. Suppression spots.
Dar, you can go down a little bit farther so Amma has more room.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh, it's okay. It's enough room.
I mean, I don't want to
It's fine. It's fine. I'll adjust. I'll adjust.
Okay.
It's
Drill in 4 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Drill.
That's a good time to check your food if you haven't already.
Shake it's going up now. Get ready to pot. Pot.
Good cheese. I love cheese.
I hate Libra now.
Someone was like, it's so brain dead.
Brain dead, but I can't believe every
Hey, quiet.
My bad. Okay, my bad. I thought you were doing
Well, I started it.
Wait. Move.
Meters in position.
Back right. Back right. Back first. Back. Right. Move. Move again.
I have Benny.
Stack up. Stack tight. Right. Left. Right. Break orb. A little to the right. Wait for a scream. Move. Pop sprint. Stack at 3. Wait for dash. Move.
Fuck. What happened? What did I get? Fine. Piffles, if you can get me. Thank you.
Move.
No problem.
Hold, invuln. Suppression spots.
Okay.
Move. Break the jail. Stand at B.
Watch out.
Wait. Move. Don't knock back LB.
I'm probably just gonna swift cast the Etheric Boom.
Nuke. Stack on 3. Shaking it. Ifrit first. We're gonna go to 2. Just wait. Wait. Bait first. Move.
Look, this middle is way bigger, guys.
We have time
That
for.
was just okay, I'm sorry.
Oh, I don't mana.
Go back to 3. Oh, Garuda. Go to the middle. But wait for it to tell first. Go in. I'll rep. Wait for the scream. Move. Back to 3. Back to 3. Back to 3. Back to 3. Move right.
Ooh.
Dodge Titans.
Get about shield, need mitigation for Titan. Mitigation.
I don't have anything. Go back to 3.
We're done with primal roulette. It's just burned
Okay,
down now.
caught up.
Dar LB.
Okay. LB.
Got it.
I hope so.
Congrats.
Yeah, we got it. We got it.
Wait. It's not done yet.
What do you mean?
Okay, it's done now.
Congrats.
Congratulations. All right.
We gotta get
Sorry
the
for
pictures.
the sorry for being a little testy there, guys.
You're okay.
No. We have to make sure we get everything done.
Oh,
All right,
picture,
let's
picture.
take picture.
Where are we standing?
Not near the exit. Not near the exit. Back here.
Well, you can make the exit disappear, you know.
Wait for Dar's cutscene.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, let him watch the beautiful. Congrats, Star. Congrats, Noob.
Well, thank you, everyone. Thank you for your help. Thanks for carrying me.
Oh, good.
You scared yourself, Dar. What do you mean?
You carried yourself.
I'm kidding.
You played yourself.
Okay, and
Clears in the middle.
oh, okay.
You too,
gonna
noob.
Going to do my emote. Tell me when to do the emote.
Oh yeah.
Go in the middle, Dar. Right in the middle.
Well,
No,
there's
no,
right. I see.
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah.
Don't forget that you guys have new stuff in your adventure plate too.
Wait, what? I do?
Let me
And a
watch the
title we can never
recap.
use.